What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Crypto Yang, in the building. What's good, Crypto Yang gang? What up, what up? Hey, yo, listen. So, here lately, I've been doing a little bit of research, looking at a couple pre-sales, looking at a couple of coins, and one caught my eye. I actually love the way that they got this coin set up. It's got some good meme potential to it. I think that it's gonna be a pretty good project here. So it's called Phase Moon. All right, you can go to the website phasemoon.space and check it out yourself. Everything that I go over is my own research. It is my opinion. It is my suggestion. But I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research, people. So, what am I getting at here? Why do I like Phase Moon? So, first of all, the concept is dope. All right. The main thing about this is that tokenomics are going to be kind of based on moon phases, like Elon Musk asked on Twitter. All right. And I'm sure you guys probably follow Elon Musk. Excuse me. And you would know what I'm talking about. So basically, the coin has a billion supply, right? 10% is going to burn each full moon. Okay. So every full moon, there's going to be a 10% burn. All right. And from what we've seen, Bitcoin actually has a correlation with full moons. All right. It's kind of wild. Altcoins too. Look into that if that's something that you want to, fact check. But anyway, Phase Moon, right? First coin ever to have tokenomics based on moon phases. 10% supply, burn each full moon. All right. So this is like a meme coin. It's a community-driven coin. It's a fun project. You know what I'm saying? I think they got a lot of good backing, marketing-wise, and they have a lot of promo lined up. Okay. So the pre-sale is going to be held on June 13th. And so in 2 days and 21 hours from this time that I am making this video, which is 8 p.m. Central Time. All right. So there's going to be a pre-sale here. And then, of course, the other half of the supply is going to be for PancakeSwap listing. All right. The pre-sale is going to be held on dxsale. You need to jump into Telegram in order to be linked to that when they decide to put out that link. If you want to join the Telegram, if you want to check out the site, any of the links, all that stuff is going to be in the description below. I'm going to take this moment right here to say, like the video. You know what I'm saying? If you're watching the video, if this is something that might be interesting to you, like the video, share the video, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, hit the notification bell. I don't put a million videos out a day. So when I do put something out, it may be something that might help you out. Might make you some money. Maybe. All right. So the pre-sale is going to be June 13th. It's showing that the PancakeSwap listing is going to be on the 18th, which gives them 5 days to line up some marketing, build some hype, things like that. Grow an audience. These are important things. You don't want to just list right away. Now, 5 days, to me, it could be a little longer than what I typically like, but that is a lot of time to grow some hype. And you got a lot of people who are waiting, and they're going to talk about this thing, huh? So they're going to spread the word, right? So, total supply 1 billion a phase. Circulating supply after the PancakeSwap listing 500 million a phase. 50% for the holders, 45% for the burning contract, 5% for marketing. All right, so they got a little wallet for marketing. The originality of the coin is that every full moon day they'll burn the 10%, and they're also going to have a 4% fee on each transaction. All right, so 2% is going to get distributed. That's reflections, and then 2% is going to be burned. So not only are you going to have burns on the full moon days, but you also have burns for every transaction, okay? And they also have the contract address down here. I'm not going to go through the whole contract. If you want to go on BSC scan and check it out, I implore you to do that. But yeah, they do have the contract address there, so you won't be faked out by another one, all right? Telegram link and Twitter link is down here, so you can check them out there, and it's also at the top. So I guess the main question is, why would you want to invest in something like that? The first thing is that the moon phase burning, which is really cool. Deflationary. So of course, when you have a transaction, there's burns. There's going to be a low market cap, from what I've read and what I've seen. And then also, supposedly, now I haven't confirmed this, but Crypto Messiah is supposedly an old friend of the developer, who follows the Twitter page, and may even promote them for the pancake listing if the pre-sale is successful. So that could really make this thing go. We don't know though. We'll see. You know, don't take my word for it. Do your own research, make your own decisions. You know what I mean? But yeah. And then of course the name having moon in it, you know, anytime there's something with moon in it, it's usually a pretty good thing. Right? But yeah, if you look into the contract, you'll see that the contract looks pretty good. I haven't looked at the code, but you know, like I said, do your own research, check it out. Now, there's not going to be a white paper because they're not creating any technology. This is literally a meme project, all right? But they are serious about the project, and there's definitely going to be good marketing it behind it. And then, of course, you know, the fact that it is something related to Elon. Those kind of things, they usually moon, you know, they usually grow. It doesn't have Elon's name in it, but it does feature tokenomics related to what Elon spoke on. All right. So, website, phasemoon.space. Telegram link is in the description as well. My Discord, right? Y'all know about the Discord, right? I should hope so. My Discord is, let me bring it up here. Got Discord here, Crypto Yang Gang, the big infamous. We're on about 7,000 members. Every 1,000 members, the minimum donation to be Yang Gang is going to go up. I do want to let y'all know Wakecoin is something that I'm working on. I do have a Telegram for that. I'll have that in the description as well. I'm going to have a link so that you can get the Discord information as well. But yeah, check it out. Check it out. Come through. You don't have to pay anything to watch. We do have a Yang Gang section for Yang Gang only. That includes alerts, nano caps. If you like to trade Ethereum shitcoins, we got that too. Staking. And then of course our pre-sales. We put our pre-sales in there as well. So if you're just a lurker, you just come in and you watch it for free, you're not going to be able to access these channels. You won't be able to chat either, but you will be able to watch the Yang Gang channel. All right. And we got a lot of good stuff going on in here. So the Discord link is going to be thebiginfamous.com. I'm going to put that in the description as well. But yeah, Phase Moon. This is something that I'm looking at that I really like. dxsale is where they're going to host the pre-sale. You know, they may be doing some airdrops, competitions, whitelists thing. Oh no, not whitelists. Excuse me. They may be doing competitions for airdrops and stuff like that. So keep your eye out on that as well in the Telegram. And I'll also update it in the Discord as well. If you guys have any questions, hit me in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Just support the boy. Support the boy, man. Crypto Yang Gang, I appreciate y'all. Just a quick run through of this pre-sale that I am looking into. This is a freebie for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Usually my pre-sale stuff goes into my Discord channel. But yeah, check out Wakecoin, twitter.com/WAE_coin. You know what I'm saying? Check that out. Telegram and all that. I'm gonna put all the information that y'all need in the description below. All right. But yeah, Crypto Yang Gang, salute. I appreciate every one of y'all. Love y'all. We all eat, baby. We all eat.